Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi A3 headlight step by step. Start by disconnecting the battery to prevent shorts, then remove the wheel arch liner to access the headlight assembly and mounting screws. Carefully unbolt the assembly, swap the bulb or replace the unit as needed, reconnect the wiring harness, secure fasteners, and test the alignment and light function before finishing and stowing tools, and enjoy. Let me walk you through the tools and prep so the job goes smoothly and without stress. Make sure you have a ratchet set, Torx bits, gloves, and the correct replacement bulb or full headlight assembly. Park on a flat surface, use good lighting, and organize screws and clips in a tray so nothing gets lost. If possible, have someone help with fitting and alignment to speed things up and reduce frustration. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making practical car tutorials for you. Quick recommendation: Robot Face. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control, excellent navigation, and quiet operation make it a great companion for a tidy garage. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Follow these removal steps slowly to protect connectors and clips from damage and to keep the process friendly for beginners. Open the hood and remove trim or covers that block access, then unbolt the headlight assembly with the correct Torx or socket bit. Disconnect the electrical harness and remove the assembly, inspecting seals and wiring for wear. Replace any damaged clips or seals, then prepare the new bulb or unit for installation and testing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.